Here are 8 different things you can try to fix a weak mobile signal. Hopefully one of these works for you. The last one should work for sure, but you want to do the first 7 first before you do the last one. It'll make sense once you see what I'm talking about. So the first thing you want to do is hop into your settings, find airplane mode, turn it on. This will stop all wireless communication. It'll shut off Wi-Fi, it'll shut off Bluetooth, even though Bluetooth is on. Well, it'll definitely shut off Wi-Fi. That's the important one, and it's going to shut off your cellular network because it's on airplane mode. That's the one we're really looking at. Okay, so turn airplane mode on and then turn it off again so that your cellular can reconnect. And then check to see if your signal's any better. The second thing you got to do is try to move locations. Currently I'm in my basement. I only have 2 out of 4 bars because my basement is notoriously bad for a cell phone signal. In our old house, I had a specific room that was just dead. It was like a Faraday cage. I don't know why, but it was. I move out of that room, my cell phone signal is great. I go into the room, call disconnects. Either way, try moving to a different location to see if that is the problem with your cell phone signal. The third thing to try is if you got some new accessories that have attached to your phone, like a new case, try removing it to see if that improves the cell phone signal. Remember, the cell phone signal comes into a little antenna built into the phone. If there's something blocking the signal from getting to that antenna, that can reduce your signal strength. So remove accessories if you got any new ones and see if that improves the signal. The fourth thing you can try is ejecting the SIM. I just took the case off my phone, that's why it looks a little different. And just so I can show you where the SIM hole is. The SIM hole is right there. And there's a little key that comes with your cell phone. In fact, I think a toothpick could do it too. You poke the key in there, or the toothpick, eject your SIM, which is just a little tiny chip, and just shove it back in. And that should reset the connection with your SIM. The fifth thing to try is check for updates on your phone. Go into settings again, go to general, go to software update, and it's going to check for updates. If you're up to date, then don't worry about the step. If you're not up to date, install whatever updates are available. I see on mine there is an update available. I'll probably do this after this video, and I don't have an issue with my cell phone strength, but if you do, this could help you. The sixth thing you can try is to reset your network settings. To do that, go back out of the update area and scroll down. This is in the general settings, the general tab of the settings. Scroll all the way down until you see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on reset. This will give you a lot of different things you can reset. You can reset everything, of course, but don't do that. In this case, just reset the network settings, and that will reset the network settings, and hopefully that's going to improve your signal strength. The seventh thing you can try is to turn your phone on and off. I know it sounds silly, but turning your phone on and off resets stuff and sometimes helps stuff work better. Inside the general settings where we just were, there's the shutdown option right there. Just tap on that and then swipe this to the right and your phone will shut down. If you're not in the settings, you can also get here by just holding the volume up and action button together at the same time, and then you'll see the power off option there. The eighth and final thing to try in this list is to contact your cell phone carrier, because they can sometimes reset things on their end that will help improve your signal strength. So hopefully one of those things or a combination of those things helps fix your signal strength. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. I know it sounds weird, but it's got to be done, and this video shows you how. So check it out, and I'll see you there.